Hey everyone, we are LATC. Today I want to discuss with you about the stock repair with the options. Most of the investors have had the experience that the once they purchase the stock, the price of the stock is started falling. I know it is not at all a good sign, but it happens most of the time. So what we can do about that? For example, you purchase a stock at HDFC Bank at 1140 rupees. You think that there is a resistance at around 1100, so the stock has broken. You purchased that particular day for 1140, but you see the stock prices then started falling. Now it is trading around 1034. So what you can do as an investor, what you can do, what are the options you have? The number one and the straightforward answer or the choice to the investor is sell at a loss. Sometimes this is a good idea because the stock may even fall further so that you can limit your loss at the current market price. But we know that HDFC Bank is a very good stock. It will definitely recover. There is a high probability that stock can recover, but we don't know when. So we want the stock has to recover as fast as possible. Here the problem is the break-even is too large. We purchased it at 1140. The currently stock is trading at 1034, which is around 10%. So the second option the investor can try to break even, exit without any loss or with minor profit. Okay. So for that the investor has two options. Either he can hold the shares as long as the stock trades below 1140. Once it reaches 1140, he can exit, or he can buy more shares at the current price so that he can average down the accumulation price. For example, if you purchase another 550 shares at 1040 and his average price would be around 1080 or something, so that his break even comes down. But purchasing more stocks which is losing is not a good sign, because if the stock further goes down, your risk increases. So what are the other options? At LATC we do stock repair for this kind of situation. Repairing the stock with the option. So what is the objective of this repairing? Yes, the number one objective is to reduce the break even from the high point, from the purchase price to the lowest possible price. And once the break even happened, then we can decide whether to hold the stock or to exit the stock completely. So when to implement this strategy? This strategy should be implemented only when the stock is fallen moderately, which means that this strategy should not be used for any particular stock which fallen 50-60%. For example, S Bank, you should not use this strategy. This strategy is for those stocks which fallen 10-15%, and there is a ability that the stock can recover at least partially, if not 100%, at least 50% recovery is possible for some stocks. And no, I'm sure that HDFC can recover. Okay, what is the strategy? This strategy involves buying a call and selling the twice the number of calls purchased. The number of calls to be purchased is depend on the how much number of shares you are holding. The lot size, you know that, right, in India. For example, if you hold 3000 shares of SBI, which is one lot, then you have to buy one lot of call option and sell two lot of call option out of the money. I will explain which strike to which selected. Okay, the long call strike price should be at around the current market price of the stock. It is not your purchase price. the stock price hasn't fallen. What is the current market price? And your shorts call should be somewhere between the current market price and your purchase price, preferably at the middle. Okay, let's see the actual example with the HDFC Bank. As I explained to you, we have purchased this stock for 1140. The quantity is 550. This is the payoff chart for the long stock without any trading adjustment with the option. Okay, we purchased at 1140. Currently the stock is trading at around 1034 or 35. We are losing around 57,000 as of now. The stock falls more, we'll lose more. So we want to reduce the break even by using the stock repair strategy. For that, I am buying one lot of call option at the money. And this August month expiry is very near, so I am buying a September month. The quantity is same as the long stock. At the same time, I am selling 2 lots of call option. The strike price is, I am choosing this case, I am choosing 1100. Expiry should be same. Two lots, hence the quantity is 1100. Okay. Now you can see the payoff chart has changed drastically. You can see now the break even is at 1087, and you get the maximum profit at 1100, 14,000 rupees, which is almost 2% less than your purchase price. Yeah, it is not going to reduce your risk if the stock fallen further, but it has helped you to reduce your break even. So let's see. Here your break even is 1087. Without these two stock repair option, the break even is 1140. To our YouTube channel, we invest, trade in Indian stock market, bond market and currency market. In this channel, we will discuss about the economics, stock market investment and trading in detail. We like to share our investment ideas and basis for the stock selection, trading strategies and moreover adjustment for the option trading. Hence I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video.